In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Messenger account. Make sure you watch this video until the end and follow every step carefully. To do that, firstly open up the Messenger app and tap on the three dot menu, select settings and tap on account center. Now tap on manage account. Now I have two accounts here. You're going to select the account that you want to delete. I'll be deleting this account, Alexin Flomo. Then you tap on manage. Under that, you're going to select deactivation or deletion. Tap on that. And you'll be given two options. You either choose to deactivate your account or to delete it permanently. We will be deleting this. I'm going to select delete account and select continue. Now, Facebook will tell you deleting your account will also delete any pages you manage individually. If you have Facebook page that is connected to your account, everything will be deleted. I'm going to be deleting everything. I'm going to select continue. Now, Facebook will say, we are sorry to see you go. We like to know why you are deleting your account, as we may be able to help with common issue. You may also continue with us selecting a reason. Alright, you can also continue with us selecting a reason. But there are a lot of things here. I just need a break. My account was hacked. I don't feel safe on Facebook. I spent too much time on Facebook. I have a privacy concern and no longer find Facebook useful. If any of these things is not the cause that you are deleting your account, you can also tap continue. But for me, I have a privacy concern. I'm going to select continue. Also type continue. Now scroll down and tap on continue. Now you will be prompted to enter your password. After entering your password, you're then going to delete your account permanently. Now let me enter my password. After entering your password, select continue. Now you can tap on delete account. This will delete your account permanently. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Bye for now.